Hey everyone, in this video we're taking a look at our Arabian Market Shader Pack, built to help you create rich, detailed Arabian and Middle Eastern style environments inside Blender. Now, this pack has been tested with practicality in mind, inside a full Arabian Market environment. So you're not just seeing materials on preview objects, you're seeing how the shaders actually work in real scene, across floors, walls, market stalls, trims, cloth carpets, and all smaller details that help bring the environment together. Inside a pack, you'll find a wide range of tileable materials, including plaster sandstone, paving, aged wood, canvas, canopy materials, rugs, trims, decals, and market atlases. So whether you're building a small market corner or a desert street, you've got a strong material base ready to go. One useful feature is the vertex paint support for both floors and walls. This lets you quickly blend cleaner and more worn surfaces, helping you break up repetition, add a natural aging without needing to create lots of separate materials. A big part of the pack is also trim sheet setup. These trims are designed to help you add extra detail to arches, walls, beams, balconies, wooden structures, and market stalls without having to worry about modeling every decorative detail by hand. Because the trim sheets are seamless in one direction, you can run them along edges and surfaces to quickly build up that carved, ornamental look you would expect in an Arabian market or desert town environment. This is especially useful when you want your scene to feel more detailed, but still keep the workflow practical. The pack also includes atlases and alpha-based details, which are great for adding variety to the scene. For example, the clothing and hanging laundry can be used in few different ways. Depending on your project, you can keep them as simple alpha planes for lightweight setup, use the height map information to give them more depth, or set them up as actual 3D objects when you need them closer to the camera. So overall, this shader pack is designed to be practical, flexible, and easy to use. It gives you the materials you need to start building Arabian markets, desert towns, fantasy cities, and stylized historian environments, while still giving you enough control to push the scene further when you need to. So thanks for watching and happy modeling everyone.